Hey guys, happy Saturday. So it is snowing. The snow is coming down. So yeah, and then the temperature is supposed to drop. So whatever falls is going to freeze over. So that's the concern for tonight. And the wind is up. So I don't know. Just want to come check in. Let y'all know that it is snowing. Hey guys, happy Saturday. It is snowing, as you can see. The snow is coming down. The wind is so high. There's a wind gust, so it's blowing the snow. As you can see, it passed in my face underneath like the porch and everything else. So it's getting where it normally wouldn't if it was just regular day and it's snowing and it's coming straight down from the sky. But because the wind is up, it's like gusts of snow being spread everywhere. So it's really cold. I forgot what the temperature is, but it feels colder than what the temperature says, and it's starting to collect. It started like a dusting last night, but it really wasn't collecting. But as we got later in the evening, it's starting to collect. You can kind of see it back there collecting. You definitely can see it on the deck. It's collected on the deck. So the concern is the temperatures are going to drop, and when the temperatures drop, that's going to cause whatever's on the ground to freeze. So yeah, so it is cold. I just wanted to come outside and show you guys, but it's freezing and I'm about to run inside. Y'all see the snow collecting on my jacket. Yeah, the wind is blowing it all up under the patio deck. So it's snowing in Georgia. January 2026, January 31st, 2026 to be exact. So anyway, let me get inside because my hands are starting to freeze, and I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. Bye.
So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet. huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder.
Hey guys, so I'm back inside where it's warm. My husband just got back from Walmart. He had to get some more bags of salt, and he's out there treating the driveway now. I asked him to treat it yesterday before it started, but he decides when he wants to do it because he's the one that has to do it. I'm not the one that's going to do it, so I don't push the issue. So he's out there now, and he's treating the driveway. And then we're watching a movie. It's a Nigerian movie. We're watching that, and we're just gonna chill for the rest of the night and try to stay warm. So that's all that's going on. There won't be much going on here because it's snowing, and I just wanted to come check in with you guys. Hope you guys are safe. If it's snowing, if you're all being affected by the winter snow, I hope you are safe and sound in your homes and you're warm and all that good stuff. And yeah, so I will talk to y'all a little bit later. Bye. Hey guys, so happy Sunday. Today is Sunday, February 1st, and I just wanted to come in to really wrap up this vlog. This vlog for this week is very, very short because of our weather conditions. I really couldn't get out and do much of anything. That coupled with the fact that I'm only really vlogging on the weekends due to my schedule with work, being mom, wife, all that stuff. So like I said, today is Sunday. We have gotten through the storm. It did snow, and the temperatures did drop, but the roads are relatively clear. The sun is out. It's still very, very cold. A little bit earlier, we went to a coffee shop to meet up with some friends to help them with some things. And it was a coffee shop that I never went to, and I want to try it out. I was able to try coffee. Me and the girls me and my daughters, we're probably going to go there again so we can enjoy, because this time I didn't really have time to enjoy. You know, my husband didn't want me vlogging. Anyway, so I just showed y'all I wasn't really able. This time wasn't a good time for me to try to vlog or anything like that. So I just showed y'all a couple of clips here and there, but we will definitely be headed back to that coffee shop to check it out, because it is sitting on a lake. I don't know if it's a man-made lake, but a lake nonetheless. And it's very cute and quaint, and I would love to show y'all around and just, you know, catch a nice vibe out there, especially when it gets warmer. But yeah, I'm gonna take the girls there so we can enjoy it, and I can try some more coffee. I just had like a mocha. It was okay. So again, I'm gonna try that out. So I'll take you guys along with me when we do that on an upcoming weekend. So again, I want to thank y'all for joining me for this week's vlog. I'm sorry that it wasn't more entertaining, but I know this is everyday life, real life of a mature woman. You know, we just do our regular duties, mom, wife, or if we're single, whatever. You know, it's just real everyday life. You know, some days aren't as eventful as others, but we move, right? So yeah, if you haven't had a chance, and I ask that, you know, if you haven't had a chance to join the family, to click that subscribe button, hit the like button before you leave as well. I appreciate you stopping by and spending your time with me, because you can be anywhere else, but you decide to hang out with me for a few minutes. So thank you again. So click that subscribe button, leave a comment. I love to say hello to you guys in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing y'all in the next video. All right, y'all take care and stay warm if you are experiencing this cold winter snow, this cold winter burst. All right, stay warm. Talk to y'all later. Bye.